cuisines of the world, and your weight loss journey to a new you. Janet will give us today's presentation. The floor is yours, Janet.
Janet here of the Obesity Prevention Center. Our topic for today, culinary influences, exploring different cuisines' impact on weight loss. Cuisine and culture are intimately connected. The foods we eat tell stories about our histories, values, and identities. I don't know about you, but I love exploring new flavors and dishes from around the world. As a passionate home cook and avid foodie, I'm endlessly fascinated by the incredible diversity of global cuisines. Beyond tantalizing my taste buds, embracing culinary influences from different traditions has also helped me on my health and fitness journey. I discovered firsthand how traditional diets and ingredients from various cultures can aid weight loss and nourish the body so deliciously. In today's multicultural world, a wealth of international flavors and nutrition wisdom await our exploration. So get ready to spice up your diet and join me on a mouth-watering tour of global cuisine and its amazing impact on wellness. Exploring culinary traditions, diving into traditional diets. When looking to lose weight healthfully, you may want to take cues from traditional diets that have developed over centuries. Integrating elements of these time-tested nutritional frameworks provides benefits beyond just your waistline. Adopting traditional diet principles allows you to gain cultural insights, add excitement to your routine, and discover new favorite foods along the way. Diets like the antioxidant-rich Mediterranean diet, the umami-packed Japanese diet, and the spice-laden Indian diet have risen to prominence globally for their well-balanced nutritional approaches. Let's explore the basics of each. The Mediterranean diet. This diet highlights fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, olive oil, lean proteins, and fish. Limiting red meat and focusing on anti-inflammatory foods like tomatoes, garlic, and yogurt provides health perks from antioxidants and gut-friendly probiotics. The flavorsome array of plant foods ensures you get belly-filling fiber, and the flexibility of the Mediterranean diet makes it easy to maintain long-term. The Japanese diet, with a spotlight on unsaturated fats, this diet derived from Japan's culinary traditions boasts staples like fish, soy foods, rice, seaweed, green tea, mushrooms, and veggies. The umami-rich ingredients provide satiating protein and antioxidants. Plant-based options take center stage while red meat and unhealthy fats play a minimal role. Portion control is emphasized, which prevents overeating. Lastly, the Japanese practice of mindful eating ensures you tune into hunger cues. The Indian diet. Abundant herbs, spices, lentils, beans, yogurt, nuts, seeds, fruits, veggies, and whole grains make up this antioxidant and fiberful approach. Curries, stir-fries, and vegetable-centric dishes predominate. The array of mouth-watering spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, cumin, and cinnamon infuse meals with anti-inflammatory and medicinal properties. Emphasis on plant proteins over red meats promotes heart health. Lastly, ghee and coconut feature as healthier oil choices. While the details differ, traditional diets share foundations we can apply towards weight loss. An array of veggies and plants foods, gut-friendly fermented options, alternative protein sources, anti-inflammatory herbs and spices, and overall dietary balance. Building blocks of a healthy plate. When it comes to assembling healthy meals, traditional diets provide no shortage of nutrient-packed ingredients to choose from. Stocking your kitchen with staples from weight-friendly cuisines ensures your plate contains the ultimate building blocks for shedding pounds. Let's review some all-star options. Lean proteins, fish, poultry, soy foods, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and lower-fat dairy provide slimming proteins that boost metabolism and curb hunger. Anglo-Saxon foods like salmon, eggs, chicken, and Greek yogurt combine wonderfully with Asian staples like edamame, tofu, and seafood or Middle Eastern favorites like hummus, falafel, and pistachios. Whole grains, from quinoa to brown rice, farro to frike, whole grains supply digestion-slowing fiber for prolonged fullness. Take your pick from ancient grains popular in Mediterranean kitchens, versatile rice prominent in Asian cooking, fiberful oats common in many cultures, or nutritious naan bread and roti originating in Indian cuisine. Veggies and fruits, low in calories yet abundant in satiating fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, veggies and fruits form a foundation of healthy cuisine globally. For weight loss, it's best to enjoy these plant foods raw, steamed, roasted, or grilled. Try crunchy longevity staples like carrots, leafy greens, mushrooms, okra, cabbage, beans, citrus, berries, avocado, and sweet potato. Spices and herbs. Adding spice to your life can subtract pounds through anti-inflammatory properties. Herbs common in Mediterranean cooking like basil, oregano, rosemary, cilantro, and parsley liven up dishes while fighting bloat. Blends like garam masala, curry powder, Chinese five spice, and Cajun seasoning add exotic flair along with health perks. Fermented foods, naturally fermented items like yogurt, kefir, miso, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha introduce gut-healthy probiotics that promote digestion and immunity. Used in many cultural cuisines, a daily serving benefits your belly and your fitness regimen. When it comes to healthy eating, variety is key, so embrace ingredients from multiple traditions to cover all your nutritional bases deliciously. Savoring flavor without the guilt. Cooking techniques make all the difference when crafting healthy yet mouthwatering cuisine. Traditional methods allow you to savor intense flavor without the additions of fat, salt, and excess calories that can hinder weight loss. Let's look at some slimming cooking hacks from around the globe. Grilling. Who doesn't love a backyard BBQ? Grilled proteins, veggies, and even fruits like pineapple, nectarines, and peaches satisfy cravings through caramelization and charring without needing additional oil or fatty sauces. Opt for lean proteins, fresh produce, and heart-healthy marinades. Steaming. Popular across Asian cuisines, steaming retains moisture, nutrients, and flavor in dishes without requiring cooking oils. Quick cooking also preserves beneficial compounds in green veggies. Ensure your steamer unit fits vegetables snugly and include aromatics like ginger. Stir-frying. This fast, filling Chinese technique relies on super hot pans and small amounts of oil. Combining colorful veggies and lean proteins, stir-fry dishes offer tons of tasty nutrition in little time. Slice components thinly and evenly for quick cooking. Poaching. Gently simmering proteins like poultry, fish, and egg in aromatic liquid imparts incredible flavor with no oil needed. Try poaching in low-sodium broth, herbal tea, citrus juice, or wine. This method works wonders for fruits too. Roasting. Dry heat roasting encourages browning and caramelization of everything from meat and seafood to veggies. Use a light coat of olive oil and seasoning. Spread chopped components in a single layer for even cooking. Sauteing. Though sauteing relies on oil, opting for healthy kinds like olive or avocado oil reduces saturated fat. Invest in high heat-safe pans that allow a quick sear so minimal oil is absorbed. Slow cooking. Crockpots safely simmer away while infusing dishes like beans, lentils, stews, and curries with deep flavor. Pop in ingredients early and come home to a ready meal without takeout temptation. So break free from excessive oil, salt, and sugar, and experiment with cooking techniques from around the world to enhance flavor and nutrition at every meal. The mindful approach to meals. Beyond ingredients and techniques, traditional cuisines espouse certain habits that contribute to overall well-being and weight management. Adopting the mealtime mindsets inherent across food cultures can be just as valuable as what you eat. Here are some ways to channel a mindful eating mentality. Communal dining. Many cultures emphasize coming together at mealtimes to savor food and deepen social bonds. Whether enjoying Mediterranean meze, dim sum, or Indian thalas, social eating enhances satisfaction and prevents overindulging. Slower pace. From French aperitifs to Japanese tea ceremonies, traditional rituals surrounding meals slow down speed of eating. This allows your brain to properly signal fullness and curbs overconsumption. Using smaller plates. Portion distortion is real. Using smaller dinnerware for meals tricks your mind into feeling full faster with less. Try swapping large plates for salad plates. Chewing thoroughly. Instead of rushing through meals, take time to taste and appreciate each bite. Thorough chewing ensures you don't swallow excess air that can cause bloating. Stopping before full. The Japanese have perfected the practice of eating until you are 80% full, allowing your stomach time to signal satiation to your brain. This prevents feeling stuffed and sluggish. Balancing flavors, from sweet, salty, sour, and bitter to pungent, rich, cooling, and spicy. Savoring a spectrum of flavors is key to Asian and Indian cuisine. Balancing flavors keeps your palate intrigued. Meditative movement. Light movement practices like yoga, tai chi, and digestive walks are integrated into many cultures' mealtime routines. The activity aids digestion and prevents energy slumps. Adopting mindful eating principles from cross-cultural traditions can serve you just as well as their unique ingredients and cooking techniques for reaching a healthier weight. Real-life transformations. Have traditional world cuisines helped real people like you and me lose weight? You bet! Let's look at 2 inspiring cross-cultural weight loss journeys. Maria's Mediterranean journey to wellness. After losing motivation for strict gym regimes and bland diet foods, Maria looked to revitalize her weight loss journey. She began integrating elements of the traditional Mediterranean diet. Out went processed foods, red meats, and refined carbs. In came bountiful vegetables, olive oil, fatty fish, and yogurt. Maria also embraced community dining experiences like sharing mise platters. Over 6 months, Maria steadily shed 15 pounds while falling in love with incredible Greek and Italian flavors. She continues to enjoy an active social and cultural life, the Mediterranean way. I'm never deprived thanks to the endless delicious possibilities this diet provides. I feel healthier than ever before, agrees Maria. Jun's Asian fusion fitness story. A busy young professional, Jun struggled maintaining an active lifestyle and cooking healthy meals. Through researching his Japanese heritage, he discovered principles of washoku, traditional Japanese eating. Adopting a diet rich in plants, seafood, and green tea while minimizing meat, salt, and white rice propelled his weight loss. Incorporating meditation and martial arts also allowed Jun to manage stress. In addition, Jun learned to assemble simple yet nourishing dandori bowls in minutes. Within 8 months, Jun lost nearly 30 pounds and gained a love for Asian home cooking. Balancing body and mind through nutrition and movement has transformed my life, Jun enthuses. As Maria and Jun's journeys highlight, embracing traditional cuisine provides incredible opportunities for cross-cultural connections, delicious nourishment, and sustainable weight loss success. Let their stories inspire you. A world of flavorful possibilities. This global tour underscores how harnessing time-tested traditions can revolutionize your relationship with food and fitness. While each cuisine boasts unique strengths, they all share wisdom to infuse your eating with balance, variety, and mindfulness. Traditional diets exemplify how nourishment and pleasure don't have to be mutually exclusive. You can eat foods you genuinely love in sensible portions while reaching your health goals. So embrace an open mind and open palate. Experiment with cultural cuisines you get to experience and revisit childhood favorites with a healthy spin. Allow this culinary adventure to deepen your perspectives on well-being. With the world's diverse flavors at your fingertips, healthy eating never has to become repetitive or restrictive. Follow in the footsteps of generations before you and let the incredible ingredients, cooking hacks, and mindful mealtime routines prevalent worldwide guide you in your personal path to nutritional success.
Way to go, Janet. That was another enticing topic on health and fitness. Keep inspired with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center with Janet. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.